everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Muvhango from the 20th to the 24th of September 2021 on Monday. As when any lens of Bopilo's betrayal, Rindani and Londo take their relationship to the next level. Hangwani and Mumukondeleli confront Kizara about his sneaking around on Tuesday. Hangwani and Rindani's relationship is in the gutter. Susan won't give Azwindini food. Gugu and Buchilo have finished painting the nursery on Wednesday. Susan quit looking after Azwindini. Azwindini finds himself in a position where he needs Susan and he has to beg for her help. Buchilo declares his love for Susan, but she rejects him and he ends up with the egg in his face. Rindani decides to break up with Londo so she can get through her mourning period out of respect for Hangwani on Thursday. Mulala returned to the royal house. How will the family react? Buipilo want to know what the hell happened to her car. Londo is a bit hit with all Rindani's friend except for Imani. Bomukoneleli can't work out why Bomasindi is so much fitter than her on Friday. Bomukoneleli discovered that Bomasindi has been cheating. Mulalo's house burns down after a fight with Azwindini. Londo drives a wedge between Rindani and Imani. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.